Like people, thermostats come in all shapes, sizes, and abilities. Let's get started with the basics so that you can have all the information you need. To change the temperature on the thermostat, simply use the up or down buttons to set the temperature you desire. The thermostat in your room does not offer air conditioning. It functions only to turn the heat up or down. For example, if it is 55 degrees and you turn your thermostat at the 68 degrees, the heat in the room will turn on. On the other hand, if it is 85 degrees in your room and you turn your thermostat down to 68 degrees, nothing will happen. Once you set your thermostat, after a few moments it will return to showing the current room temperature. Regardless of where the thermostat is set, after 48 hours, it will go into a vacation mode and reset to 55 degrees to save energy. Likewise, after 2 hours, if the thermostat is set above 66 degrees, it will reset to 66 degrees. This is done to save energy, but it also saves money, lowers our carbon footprint, and puts it at the optimal temperature for sleeping. We hope this was enough information to help you understand your thermostat. If you are interested in learning more about our sustainability efforts, please visit the links in the description.